Cookbook for the Universe Section 6, Object-Oriented Design for Unification Theory. The universe, at its core, is not a collection of isolated phenomena, but a dynamic, interconnected system, a symphony of realities where every entity, from the subatomic to the galactic, interacts through shared principles and evolutionary relationships. In this framework, relative gravity reimagines the cosmos as an object-oriented system, where every object, for example particles, celestial bodies, encapsulates its own properties, behaviors, and evolutionary paths while remaining dynamically linked within a vast cosmic network. By Orion Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe 6.1 The Universe, a symphony of interconnected realities. The universe reveals itself as a networked symphony, a dynamic web where every object, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, plays a role in an eternal cosmic dance. A. Entities as objects. Every object embodies intrinsic properties, for example symmetry, energy, mass, behaviors, for example fusion, oscillation, and evolutionary states. Objects inherit foundational attributes from universal principles while manifesting uniquely within their context. B. Dynamic interconnectivity. Objects are not isolated, but dynamically connected through forces and dimensions, evolving iteratively through cycles governed by the delta phenomenon. Relative gravity aligns these connections, with time, gravity, and other forces acting as relational threads weaving the fabric of existence. 6.2 Key Concepts of Object-Oriented Reality. A. Inheritance across scales. Universal principles such as symmetry, energy, and time are inherited by all entities, from quarks to galaxies. This inheritance ensures coherence across scales, while allowing for localized uniqueness. B. Polymorphism of forces. Forces like gravity and electromagnetism manifest polymorphically, adapting to their contexts. Example: gravity governs planetary orbits at the macro scale while influencing particle behavior at the quantum level. C. Encapsulation of behaviors. Each object encapsulates behaviors unique to its environment. Example: a star encapsulates nuclear fusion, while a black hole exhibits energy redistribution and resonance. D. Interconnectivity through nodes. Every object is a node within a vast network. Connections represent forces and dimensions, driving interactions like gravitational waves, planetary orbits, and galactic evolution. This network reflects an emergent reality where entities evolve collaboratively rather than in isolation. By Orion Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe 6.3 A visual representation of the object-oriented universe. Imagine the universe as a dynamic, evolving network. Nodes, particles, stars, galaxies, and systems, each encapsulating distinct behaviors. Edges, forces and interactions, gravitational, electromagnetic, nuclear, that weave the network together. Evolution, iterative cycles of transformation where entities integrate into larger systems while retaining their individuality. Example: a black hole node encapsulates behaviors like gravitational pull and resonance emission. Gravitational waves' edges connect the black hole to neighboring stars, aligning their rotations and energy exchanges. The delta phenomenon governs these relationships, ensuring balance and coherence in their interactions. This visualization transforms our understanding of the universe as an interconnected, emergent system where forces, dimensions, and entities evolve in harmony. 6.4 Rethinking existence. The object-oriented perspective redefines the universe as a living system rather than a static collection of phenomena. Gravity as relational. Gravity is not merely an attractive force but a relational dynamic within the larger cosmic network. Dimensions as dynamic. Dimensions like space and time are not passive backdrops but active fields that adapt to evolving relationships. Time as iterative. Time is not linear but cyclical, driving the abstraction, synthesis, and growth of entities across scales. By adopting this perspective, we unify scientific theories, bridging quantum mechanics, relativity, and classical physics. This framework offers a fresh lens to view existence, presenting the universe as a self-regulating, interconnected system where every interaction, no matter how small, contributes to the grand cosmic symphony. By Orion Carl Daly 3. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe. By Orion Carl Daly.